Nestled in chaos, peace does dwell, and storms embrace. The soul can heal. With stoic grace we rise anew. In joy and hope our spirits true. As turmoil deepens into night, and all seems lost and out of sight, our love will spark an ember bright. In joy and hope our spirits true. So hold your sorrow and be still, for by our hands we have a will to mend and free this broken world. In joy and hope our spirits true. And if we cannot save our kin from malice writhing deep within, the children still can find their way. In joy and hope our spirits true. Perhaps we'll never see the change, the flowers sprout from our remains, but I know they'll push through. In joy and hope our spirits true. Nestled in chaos, peace does dwell, and storms embrace. The soul can heal. With stoic grace we rise anew. In joy and hope our spirits true. Nestled in chaos, peace does dwell, and storms embrace. The soul can heal. With stoic grace we rise anew. In joy and hope our spirits true.